सुन पाते हैं और अगली वक्ता स्टूडेंट लीडर संबोधि रविंद्र जिंदे महाराष्ट्र से अपनी बात को रखने के लिए यहां पर आमंत्रित करेंगे संबोधि को।
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sambodhi Ravindra Jinde. I'm studying in 11th standard from Dhamangao Railway of Amravati district, Maharashtra. In this land of Pune, I salute Mahatma Jyotiba Phule and Savitribai Phule, who pioneered the movement of education in this land of Pune. I'm going to talk on reservation on caste, social justice or total injustice. And at the very outset, I strongly advocate that reservation on caste will realize the constitutional goal of delivering social justice, and it will never be total injustice. On this occasion, I remember Martin Luther King, who said, "You cannot have a first-class nation with the second-class citizens." If there lives some section in our society as marginalized and underprivileged, how can we make this nation a great? We all well know that our social system is based on the caste system, and this caste system led to social and economic inequality and injustice. Honorable Sir, the fact cannot be denied that today's SCs and STs were historically oppressed and made to live a life of exclusion and deprivation. They were groaning in this country for ages under inhuman sufferings and intolerable humiliations. Only reservation on caste basis can bring these communities in the mainstream, which is in the interest of nation building. These socially outcast people were the people who were last to be hired but the first to be fired. Since we have adopted democracy, it demands representation of and participation of all in policy making. And according to the constitutional provision under Article 15(4) and 16(4), these socially backward communities are entitled to have their representation in the name of reservation. Constitution provides equality of opportunity and status to everyone without any discrimination. But friends, there is a settled principle of equality. Like should be treated alike, but not that unlike should be treated alike. It is necessary for us all to know that Baba Sahib Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar struggled hard, struggled lifelong to eradicate this caste system from our society. He rightly said that castes are anti-national. They must be rooted out from our society as soon as possible. But as long as the caste will exist, the reservation will remain on the basis of caste. Therefore, reservation on caste is not a charity but a device to bring about parity, encouraging the social equality. Even in the most developed country like America, there is a provision of Equal Employment Opportunity Commission which monitors the ratio of racial representation even in the private sector through affirmative action policy. Taking into account all these facts and observations, I am of the firm opinion that reservation on caste will realize the constitutional goal, the noble goal of Constitution of delivering social justice. How can it be total injustice? I wish and appeal to all, let's march towards a casteless society. Thank you very much.
थैंक यू वेरी मच। संबोधि ने अपनी बात को रखा और तथ्यों के साथ अपनी बात को रखा और आरक्षण के पक्ष में अपनी बात को रखा। बहुत बहुत स्वागत, अभिनंदन संबोधि रविंद्र जिंदे। आपकी तालियां कुछ कम पड़ रही हैं, शुक्रिया। तो भारतीय छात्र संसद के इस मंच से छात्र नेताओं की ये बेबाक आवाज आगे बढ़ाते हैं इसी क्रम को। जीसी अनुभव